In this video, I will show you how to view all the apps you have ever downloaded from Google Play Store, including the ones you have uninstalled. So let's get started. First, open Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now tap on your profile icon located at the top right side. From the menu, select Manage Apps and Device. Now tap on the Manage tab at the top. Here you will see a list of apps currently installed on your device. Now tap on the filter option. It may say installed or this device. Select not installed. Wait for a couple of seconds. And that's it. You will now see a complete list of apps you have installed in the past, apps you have deleted, and even the apps you forgot about. So that is how you can see uninstalled apps in Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.